I saw a sign in the neighborhood and I mentioned it to my son and daughter-in-law, and my daughter-in-law mentioned that she had seen his company quite a bit on Nextdoor. I really am enjoying the kitchen living room area. It's very functional, versatile. I've had as many as 12 people in here for dinner, so it fits pretty much all my needs. The workers were very friendly and cooperative and gave some good advice on various parts of the house, like the tiling, the flooring, that sort of thing. Well, we did have a few challenges, one being the water supply, and they were able to get that resolved within about 24 hours. So that helped quite a bit to keep the project moving along. Gold Coast was a good company, fairly well organized, came in very quickly and did our project in a suitable amount of time.